WhatsApp is going to switch off messages for everyone who rejects these new terms. Now, this is maybe a little bit surprising because originally when they started to take the heat, when people started to say, what's the matter with you? I'm looking for Telegram. I'm looking for, what's the other one? Signal and this and that. They kind of backed off a bit and they're like, okay, we'll delay the thing. But now we see this report that's like, nah, maybe they're doubling down. Maybe they're for real. Maybe they're sitting there like, WhatsApp is so good. Go ahead. Yeah. Get out of my face. You want to be a part of this party? We don't want you anyway. I mean, they're not saying it in those terms, but apparently, according to this report, your account will be listed as inactive, and inactive accounts will be deleted after 120 days. WhatsApp users who do not accept its updated terms and conditions by the May 15 deadline will be unable to receive or send messages until they do so. So they're gonna put that wall in your way after you launch the app or get the messaging say accept this, or you're not gonna reply to that or whatever way they're gonna do it. The backlash appears to not have been enough. WhatsApp is already sharing information with Facebook, and this whole dispute, this whole controversy erupted over just how much information is shared between both platforms. People started to get concerned about privacy and so forth. We'll see what happens, but this feels fairly official at this point that these new rules are going to come into play, and maybe their user base is just so enormous that it's too big to even make a dent. I remember when we were talking about how Signal was like top of the App Store, Telegram top of the App Store. It's like,
that was a blip.
It was like, oh, they got millions of downloads, and then you look at the user base for WhatsApp, and you're like, oh my God, millions of people moving, and it's not even denting it. You kind of underestimate the WhatsApp footprint. It's so massive, and you know how it is with building new habits. When it comes to like moving friend groups and things like this. Maybe all the uproar wasn't as significant as we thought. I don't know. We got to wait and see.